Today I'm diving into one of the most exclusive products from Gold Professional Hair Care. This is a totally new brand to the US from Denmark that is vegan, eco-friendly, salon-only, and it's not available on Amazon or local store. So if you want to learn more, keep watching.
Delicious Foundation is our styling mousse. This product, though, is half conditioner, half mousse. So you want to make sure that you are using less than half the amount that you would of a traditional mousse. Less is more. What I like to do is shake the bottle really well first, put it in my hand, and then emulsify it in your hand. It becomes really, really creamy. And then when you're first using it, I like to tap my hands on a towel, get rid of some of the excess, and then go in and work it in the hair and see how it feels. Because it's so conditioning, you want to make sure not to overuse it. But this product is going to give you the most perfect, like velvety blowout. This is going to give you really good flexibility, really good definition, really good lift, beautiful, beautiful finish. It just is very concentrated. And this is going to be great to cocktail with as well. If you want any kind of big voluminous blow dry, you could go in with Delicious Foundation and Seawater Cream, and you're going to get really good fullness. You're going to get really good hold, some really good texture. But then if you wanted to use this and blow out someone a little bit smoother, you could go in with this for the foundation of that bouncy, velvety blowout, but then mix it with a little bit of smoothing cream or a little bit of blowout cream to just soften it a little bit and get that smoother look that you're looking for. So definitely multiple ways of going in and cocktailing this product. It's just going to be a good foundation, going to add very good volume. Less is more with this.
If you want to be the first salon to carry Gold Hair Care, be sure to contact me, message me below, or if you're one of my customers already, be sure to reach out as soon as possible. We have some great opportunities to get into this brand, and if you're a customer, be sure to ask your stylist for it because they may not even know about this brand. So the only way to get it is from a distributor or a salon. Be sure to reach out. And if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to hit subscribe and click the bell to make sure you get notified because my next video is going to be on the next product and you don't want to miss that. Thanks for watching.